art is something that transcends borders, and it's got nothing to do with religion, caste, creed, or nationality.
Siddharth, hi, on your right.
Hi.
So this is Disney India's first movie. It's a rom-com, but we know, Disney usually comes with, the typical movies and all. How did Khoobsurat fit into the mold?
It's really as Disney a film as it can get. It's a film for the family. It's a film that should appeal to, it'll appeal to people of all ages. As I said, from 6 to 60, I think would enjoy it. And, it's a film that when we had the narration of the film, and actually Shashank is a wonderful narrator, he sort of narrated the film to us. He came to the office with Riya, and we had a room full of people, and they were completely engaged, with the film all the way through. And these were all types of people, from different departments within the studio. We knew as soon as we heard it that this would be a film that should be branded Disney.
Thank you.
Hi Sonam, Sonika here in front of you.
Where?
Yeah.
Hi.
You're looking so beautiful today.
Thank you.
And just wanted to know कि फैशन के मामले में हमेशा लोग आपको फॉलो करते रहे, हमेशा से लड़कियां आपके पीछे पीछे जो भी आप करती हो करती रही हैं. तो ये कानों में जो आज आपने डिफरेंट कलर्स के इयरिंग्स पहन रखे हैं.
एक इयरिंग मेरे को दूसरा वाला मिल रहा नहीं था. I swear.
तो कल से फिर ये लड़कियों के लिए नया ट्रेंड हो जाएगा.
I guess so. I couldn't come with Dibani earring, तो मैंने दूसरी पैर की दूसरी earring पहन ली.
So, ma'am, what made you make a film like Khoobsurat, which is a Hrishikesh Mukherjee
Where
film?
are you? Hi.
There are so many Hrishikesh Mukherjee cult classics. So what made you opt for this specific remake? And do you feel you have done justice to a role that Rekha has made so memorable?
I don't think I can do justice to anything Rekha has done. But the idea of, I don't know why Shashank and Riya and everybody else decided to be a part of this film and to make this film. But for me, I feel these days, there are very few films that are wholesome and that mean something and that have great values. And at the same time, they're lots of fun. And I think Hrishikesh Mukherjee was one of the last few directors who made films like Goody and Millie and Khoobsurat and all of them that actually had that vibe, which appealed to everybody, said something, had a message, and were happy, fun films. And those kind of films, I think maybe Raju Hirani is making them these days. And I think Khoobsurat is one of the other ones which I really wanted to be a part of, because I don't think a good film is necessarily a good film because it's dark or depressing or somebody's dying or dead at the end of the film. I think it can be fun and it can mean something and it can be light, and at the same time I think we are going through too much in India in our lives to not have a happy place that says something, and I think cinema has always been my happy place. And I grew up on Hrishikesh Mukherjee films, and for me this is an ode to Hrishikesh Mukherjee. It's not necessarily Khoobsurat that was the old Khoobsurat, but this is an ode to his filmmaking. To me, that's what it is, yeah.
Do you feel what was relevant in the 80s is still relevant today?
I think what is relevant to humankind will always be relevant. That is love, happiness, family values, and looking forward. I don't think human values ever change.
फवाद, this is for you.
मेरा सवाल है आपके ठीक सामने. फवाद, कई बार ऐसे होता है कि पाकिस्तानी एक्टर्स यहाँ आते हैं तो कई मामले होते हैं, और कई ट्वीट्स आए हैं जब से आपने ये फिल्म की है कि आपने पाकिस्तानी लोगों की भावनाओं को ठेस पहुँचाया. तो इस पर क्या रिएक्शन है आपका, और क्या आप बॉलीवुड में कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे?
देखें, जिन पाकिस्तानियों की आप बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल परसेंटेज ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन. और ये अगर आप ट्रेंड नोटिस करेंगे, दैट विल कम आउट ऑफ एनीवेयर. कहीं भी कभी भी कोई एनिमोसिटी या कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट हुई हो, मैं मिसाल ले लेता हूँ, मतलब खैर अभी यहाँ पे तो इन रेलेवेंस पाकिस्तान और इंडिया की बात हो रही है, लेकिन अगर यहाँ से भी कोई जाए या वहाँ से कहीं और जाए तो कोई ना कोई जो है नुक्ता निकाला जाएगा क्रिटिसिज्म के लिए. So I think to pay attention to such criticism is unnecessary, because art is something that transcends borders, and it has got nothing to do with religion, caste, creed, or nationality. It is an expression, and that expression is universal. Not universally accepted, because मैं ये भी समझता हूँ कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं तो एक पर्सपेक्टिव के तहत बनाते हैं. It is your opinion. So in a matter जिसमें opinions count करते हैं, तो किसी का opinion है तो it's they are entitled to that opinion. और मैं उसके बारे में कुछ कह नहीं सकता, लेकिन हाँ, एज एन एक्टर माई सेल्फ आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लोर अदर रीजन्स इन द वर्ल्ड एज वेल. सो आई एम नॉट टू दुख होता है कि अगर उनको ये बात बुरी लगती है, लेकिन उसके बारे में कुछ कर नहीं सकते. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई चूज टू इग्नोर इट.
But we are all the girls in India are very happy that he's here. I'm telling you. हाँ जी.